হ্যালো গাইস, আমাদের আজকের টপিক ইউ আর বিউটিফুল। আমরা প্রতিনিয়ত কাউকে প্রশংসা করে বলে থাকি ইউ আর বিউটিফুল, তুমি খুব সুন্দর। এই কথাটাকে আমরা আরও বিভিন্নভাবে সুন্দর করে উপস্থাপন করতে পারি, সেগুলোই আজকের ভিডিওতে তুলে ধরছি। আর ভালো লাগলে প্লিজ সাবস্ক্রাইব করবেন। ইউ আর বিউটিফুল আমরা এটাকে অল্টারনেটিভ ভাবে কি বলতে পারি, আসুন। ইউ আর ভেরি প্রেটি, ইউ আর ভেরি প্রেটি। I think you are stunning. I think you are stunning. You look gorgeous. You look gorgeous. You look hot. You look hot. You look gorgeous. You are beyond gorgeous. You look so radiant. You look so radiant. I love the way you look today. I love the way you look today. You are magnificent. You are magnificent. You are pleasing. You are pleasing. You are heavenly. You are heavenly. You are fascinating. You are fascinating. You have a look to die for. You have a look to die for. You look as pretty as always. You look as pretty as always. You look fine. You look fine. You look absolutely fantastic. You look absolutely fantastic. You are exquisite. You are exquisite. You are good looking. You are good looking. You are alluring. You are alluring. You are so adorable. You are so adorable. You make my heart me. You make my heart me. Your beauty is incomparable. Your beauty is incomparable. Your smile melts my heart. Your smile melts my heart. You are lovely. You are lovely. You are dazzling. You are dazzling. You are delightful. You are delightful. Oh, you are gorgeous. Oh, you are gorgeous. I think you are very attractive. I think you are very attractive. You are very appealing. You are very appealing. You are very charming. You are very charming. You are very graceful. You are very graceful. I think you are good looking. I think you are good looking. I think you are good looking. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel.